Just say, I love crepes.
You know, just to put this in there, I had a whole mess of crepes this morning. They're just like pancakes, maybe even better.
Wait, are they the really thin pancakes?
Yeah.
Yes, they are. Those are really thin pancakes. It's just a French word for them.
So we made it to the skeleton bar, but they don't have food today. I don't know why, but they don't have food. It's so disappointing.
Yeah, it's a little out there. You would have 7 pounds. Yeah. I was like dumb.
I'm so disappointed that they don't have food today. We're gonna get some
The one that we don't have
food.
today is like a lot more of a complex sweet drink, and then we have like a simple sweet, and then just.
Guess we're just gonna get booze because they don't have any food today. I'll ask and see why. All right, they said they only have food on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so we'll have to come back. And they only had 2 of their drinks. They had the Inferno, Mango Inferno, and Vampire's Blood, so we got one of each. No, no. Oh, that's very horrifying.
There's definitely some mango flavor. I like cold weather. There's definitely weather. Hello, how are you? I'm really good, thank you. Yeah. I feel like this one in the corner is pooping. That's a good one. What is this even look like?
I don't know.
Get it from the side.
Yeah, might be pooping. So that's really cool. Alright, let's go try these out. Alright, so David is waiting in the crepe line because it is a little long and we're worried with the rain starting to come down that all the umbrella tables would be taken, so we decided we would split up. I would hold this table for us to make sure that we had at least some coverage with the clouds that are rolling in, and he would stand in line for the crepes. We got our Mango Inferno and Vampire's Blood drinks. The werewolf one was all out, and that's the one I wanted to try, but we'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully I can try that one. And they only serve food on the weekends, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we will be back to try that mac and cheese. It sounds really good. So we'll get some lunch. We'll try these amazing crepes that everyone's talking about. And oh, I can feel the rain. So what do you think about your crepe?
Once you get past the first quarter of it, where it's just crepe, and you get to the actual fillings, it's delicious.
There's a lot of just crepe at the top, so I'm going to waste some crepe bits.
Every bit of that.
Well, everything.
Stood online forever.
Well, I want to enjoy it. I don't want to eat just plain crepe.
I did get to meet some minions.
I saw you talking to them over there. I feel like it's hard to get past the paper as well. You gotta try to lift it out a little bit.
This is rough. This one.
Is it spicy?
It's not that it's spicy, burn your mouth, but there is a lot of spice flavor and it overwhelms it. This is delicious.
And this is crunchy. It's not like soft crepe that I'm used to. Like when you get down here, the ends are very crunchy. So I'm not used to.
There's a person learning how to do it and someone training them. And the trainer is kind of distracted doing a million things. And the other person keeps kind of screwing up.
Alright, I got down a little bit better.
This is really good.
It was still mainly crepe, so I'm going to rip some of this off. So I'm not wasting calories.
I'll eat it.
On empty crepe batter.
The crepes are good. I mean,
Yeah. The actual crepe?
yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a really thin pancake.
Really thin pancake. Oh no! 5-second rule.
COVID rule.
COVID.
Want to bite this one?
That was really good.
Yeah.
That's good. Oh. That is good.
Now
Yeah,
try that.
this is good. Alright. This is the spicy drink. I don't think I'll like it. Oh wow, that's spicy. Yeah, don't get that.
It's not that the spice isn't bad, it just it tastes bad.
No, that's spicy. Dude, look how much more crepe I have. All of this is filled. This is the part I want to eat. Now this empty up here. Wow. It's good. It's nicely filled at the bottom. Warm. Better be. We're sitting here by the cafe, the bottom of the skeleton bar. It's really good. This is good lunch. We haven't eaten anything today, so.
We had ice cream.
Oh, take that back. We had ice cream.
Yours has a more fresh flavor.
The arugula.
Mine is way more savory.
I'm gonna get another bite of yours before you finish it. I don't know that brisket. I think you got the better one. For once, David got the better sandwich. Better dinner. My vampire's blood tastes like alcoholic Kool-Aid.
Yeah, it tastes like Kool-Aid.
It's just like straight up alcoholic Kool-Aid is what mine tastes like. Simpson World.
Hey.
They got all sorts of cool Simpson stuff. But one thing I never noticed was it's got a whole wall of comic books. And they're like thick comic books too. See if I can do this one-handed. Look. It's like full comics. That's really neat. If you're really into Simpsons. You should get these from one of my professors from college. He was really into Simpsons. And of course, they have some like really old school little Christmas ornaments that are cute. They have all sorts of stuff in here. Even the movie. Yeah, bottle opener. Rusty stuff. Keychains. Of course, they're playing The Simpsons. David has this mug from when we were here last. All sorts of neat stuff. It's very colorful and fun compared to Harry Potter World, in a way. Yeah.
I have somebody from India working the Quickie Mart.
Really? Oh, yep. You're right. Where'd that hoodie go? Oh. Oh.
There's a koozie in here, like there's an actual built-in koozie. And it's $60.
$60. Ready for the mummy?
Yeah, let's do Mummy.
Just kidding, we're going to ET! Yeah! All right, they called our number, color blue. This is the waiting room. To wait to get your number called.
Hello and welcome to Universal Orlando Resort.
Pretty cool.
In addition to the important safety guidelines in effect throughout.
All right, we just did Transformers. And Jimmy Fallon right before that. Jimmy Fallon, if you're in a tough pinch and you like rides, skip it. It was our first time riding Jimmy Fallon.
It was stupid.
It was dumb. Skip it.
It was
Skip
meant
it.
to be silly, but it was just too silly.
It's an easier amphitheater 3D ride.
It's like an IMAX.
Like an IMAX. So if you're elderly or have smaller kids that are getting used to rides, it's a ride for them. Teenagers and adults that like adrenaline or like the, you know, skip it. I like Transformers. I like that ride.
That's okay.
That's how Spider-Man is, but amped up because it's way newer. But if you're wanting to do like a riding 3D ride, do Spider-Man or Transformers.
Transformers is a good story.
Skip Jimmy Fallon.
Yeah, Transformers is a good story. And then Megatron at the end, like, wow. It's cool. All right,
We're on
Mommy.
our way to Mummy. I think. Where are you going? I think Mummy's this way, I think. Yeah, this way. You never get over,
Oh, there's
like...
Mummy Walker, so we're in the right area. See him?
Yep. This place is just so pretty. I can't believe your first thing when I asked him, I was like, what'd you like? And he goes, eh. When we got off Transformers. It didn't make you sick with the Dramamine?
No.
You feel good?
I'm good. It definitely is a ride that gets you sick. But I managed.
You ready for a real roller coaster now?
Finally, yes.
All right, here we go. Mummy it is.
Follow the stilt walkers.
Follow the Egyptians.
Oh, they're doing a thing. They're doing a
Oh,
thing.
they're doing like a...
Oh, we gotta walk past them. Son of a bitch. Oh, we got express. We don't have to. Let's go express.
Yeah. Time for Mummy! Woo! All right. Just did the Mummy. How'd you feel?
That was awesome. Effects, animatronics. Oh, there's a stilt walker coming at us. He's not ignoring us.
Hi, friend.
Yeah, Mummy's awesome.
Yeah, love it.
Hopefully never goes anywhere.
I don't think it will. It's beloved by everyone. It's really old. It's not as old as us, but it's almost as old as us. I think it's about 20 years old.
My hair is crazy. That stilt walker got me. Yep.
Yeah, we love this ride. It's not too scary. It doesn't go upside down, but it is an indoor roller coaster. It's a true roller coaster. It's not like Gringotts where it is a true roller coaster. You go up and down. You have launches. You have falls.
Yeah.
Lots of spins. It does not go upside down though. So if you want,
backwards.
It goes backwards. So if you want a more advanced roller coaster, but you don't like going upside down, but you don't like the kiddie rides either, this is a good one for you, especially because it's dark and you really can't see what's happening. It's just, you can feel the movement, and the storyline is obviously great. It's got a fandom with it, with the ghostly swoosh and your coffee. So if you're definitely have never ridden this ride, definitely do it, especially if there's any sort of rumor about it being taken out. Definitely take the opportunity and ride this roller coaster. It's so much fun.
All right, well, let's go to Universal.
Where are we going?
Hogsmeade.
For what?
Let's see. Dinner, maybe? We'll see.
Let's see what we get into. See you later. Bye.